First of all, a very good afternoon to the esteemed panel members and the august audience here. It is always a pleasure to be at mobility conclaves because one, it does not only help you to network with the people here and the industry colleagues, but it broadens your horizons as well. So taking up the questions from the trends, etc. So I'd like to first go back a little to give you a brief as to where my company or the company I'm coming from, in fact, comes from. It's a 31-year-old company, Nextech by Amson Interconnect, which started with these AC adapters and cable converters, and then it got into making a brand. Then it got into EMS, and now it's finally into manufacturing. So the company has seen an entire growth journey, I would say, and but if you hear, by the very nature, electronics and manufacturing and trading, etc., has always been a very male-dominated, I would say, and as the females have also been saying, it's a very male-dominated industry as such. But now that we see that the trends have changed so much, for example, if I have to give you a few numbers, a recent report by BCG in 2023 said that about 31.8 trillion is the kind of money or the money expenditure that women are now doing across the economy. So if we see earlier, women did not have that kind of, I would say, power to make purchases, but right now the trends are shifting, and with the kind of workforce coming into the picture, the contribution also to the household economy is going to increase by 25% in the next year. So with those things, keeping those things in mind, I think the first thing when I joined here, I saw that the entire team was very male dominated. So we actually increased and we brought in more females to, one, not only have a better gender ratio, but also to get newer ideas, because if women are making the purchases, it is very important that women need to be behind the doors as well. They have to complete the picture, they have to complete the circuit. So I think bringing in women has been a very big change. Apart from that, adopting technology. So I think most of the businesses which have seen this kind of a journey over 30 years have they started off with basic the typical what we call as the Lala company or the Lala nature that we come from, but adopting technology is now the need of the hour. So whether it is AI, whether it is automation tools, whether it is even generative AI being used to develop product prototypes, we have to get on with the latest trends to then basically cater to the dynamic